Hello goddesses, and welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas here on my channel. Before we get into today's video, please do not forget to hit that notification button so you are notified every single time I drop a new video, along with that subscribe button so you can become a part of the goddess family. So today I wanted to do something that I have never done before. I thought it would be fun to make a cute little like Santa holiday outfit. I wanted to order one online pre-made to wear for like the Vlogmas series, but I couldn't find any cute pink Santa outfits that I really liked, so I'm like, I'll just make my own. And that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I have like my little arts and crafts bucket here, and I also went to the craft store and picked up a few things. So I figured videotaping kind of like on the ground would be easier, but this is what I got. So I got two different kinds of trim, well, two different sizes. So they're the same exact type of trim. This one is obviously shorter in width and this one is larger in width. I figured I'd use this on the bottom, like where the skirt is, and this one will definitely go kind of like on the top. Then I got this really beautiful kind of like a rose color pink for the top and the bottom. I'm gonna definitely be making a two-piece. Then I got two of my best friends E6000 glue and some double-sided adhesive tape. This is just so I don't have to sew because your girl does not know how to sew. I want to learn, it's on my bucket list, so one day, someday, I will definitely learn how to do that, but I'm gonna use these in the meantime. And then lastly, I got this cute little like blingy accessory. I don't know if I want to incorporate it or how I will incorporate it into the outfit, but I figured I could even make like jewelry out of it. So I was like, bling, I can't resist, so yeah. Now, definitely, like I said, I want to make a two-piece. Top would be more or less like me taking one of my bras and then just wrapping the fabric around that and then putting the trim. I figured that would be possibly the easiest. I'm not 100% sure, but I figured logically it would be easier for me to try to like make a skirt than to try to like get the fabric to form to my whole entire body. I can just like separate it in two ways, and the top will be structured with the bra. So let's go ahead and do that part first. So I brought the camera even lower so you guys can really see how I'm doing it. But basically, like I said, I'm getting just like a regular bra. I figured that bra kind of goes with the color anyway. So if I mess up and anything seeps through, it'll be easily like camouflaged. So I think I'm just gonna like cut off some of this and then wrap it around. I'm not looking to cut like for perfection because I have the stuff to help me like clean up the hems if I need to. So let's just go in. Oh my god, I probably should have got like for real scissors. Well, these are for real scissors, but I mean, you know, like craft scissors. But the craft scissors were like $60. I'm like, I'm not paying $60 for scissors. Still like $60. Like, that's a lot of money. That's like more than all the materials put together. I'm like, I can't. Like, unless I was like a devoted crafter, like really devoted, then I would be like, okay, cool, yeah, I do this every day. This is like my hobby. But clearly it is not, because I don't know how to sew yet, but maybe one day. Honestly, like I haven't sewed since like 7th grade home ec. And I remember I sewed these like fire boxer short things. It was so weird. Anyways, so this would be the number one. Does it fit the band? Surprisingly, it does. So it's literally what I'm looking at is just making sure that it fits, and I'm gonna just form the material into the bra. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this and I'm just gonna form it around. And then once I get it to how I want it, then I'm gonna put the glue, you know, in place to kind of keep it just there. I'm not so concerned with what the inside looks like, it's just what the outside looks like. So it might look like a hot mess on the inside of it, but no one's gonna see that. So yeah, that's my goal. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so next step is I'm gonna take the smaller trim, or like the trim that is like less thick, and I'm gonna put it on the bra straps like this. So I'm just gonna glue it on the bra straps, and then I'm gonna put it on the bottom of the bra just to make the bra look longer than it normally is, because again, this is supposed to look like a top and not a bra. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And for all of that, I'm using the E6000 glue, just to FYI. So yeah. Okay, so now that I have this going on, I'm gonna actually use this bling trim for this little sash area right here. At least that's what I think I want to do. I want to add some bling to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I might actually just wrap it around. I think that would look really cute. So I'm really impressed with what it's looking like so far. Again, this is not expert level. I'm literally just like gluing stuff together and my hands are getting really sticky, but I need to definitely do the skirt before the glue runs out. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm just gonna use my own skirt or my own waist as like a measurement and go from there. So yeah. So now I know where to cut it, and I go ahead and cut that. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add the same trim, but what I'm gonna do is add the trim to the bottom instead of the top. And then I'm gonna hem everything in, and I think I'll call it a day. I think that's literally all it takes. It doesn't take that much effort, but let me go ahead and cut this, and I'll be right back. This is what I got. I feel like it will look really cute on. It has a little bit of a slit. I just put a safety pin because again, I don't know how to sew, and I figured how else would I get in and out of the outfit. So yeah, stay tuned. Bum, 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 bum. Anyways, this is the final look. I feel like I want to go Christmas caroling in this little outfit. I feel like that one, not Cindy Lou Who, but the other chick from The Grinch, I love it. It's like very cute, sexy, simple, I don't know. I love the little bling. Obviously it's not the bestly crafted outfit, but I figure if you wear it in the dark, nobody will notice. Honestly, I think this is super adorable, super cute. I probably should have made a little Santa hat, but it's a very snow bunny, cute vibes, something definitely fun to do, different. Had a blast making this video. Even though I have a glue on my fingers, still I'm gonna have to wait for the glue to like dry to peel it off. TMI. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Until next time.